Exercise 1D, first question. The sum of two is highest, no problem. Whoever has any problem, they can send me the message. In the evening I will reply. The sum of two integers is minus 15. Write on this question. What? Highest. The sum of two integers is minus 15. If one of them is 9, find the other. If one of them is 9, find the other. Find the other integer. The sum of two integer. Sum means addition. Write on this question. Find the other. The sum of two integer is minus 15. If one of them is 9, find the other. So there are two integers. First integer, write on this. First integer plus second integer. First integer plus second integer. First integer plus second integer. Their total is given minus 15. Are you getting? Sum means plus. Sum means addition. So write down everything. What I am writing. Write down everything. The sum of two integer is, sum means addition. So sum of two integer is minus 15. One of them is 9. So first integer it is given 9. Find the other integer. Means we have to find second integer. Question mark. You have to put question mark. And this second integer we take as x. And now we form the equation. So write, yes, let the second integer be x. Now I will form the equation. First integer plus second integer is minus 15. So one of the integer is 9. One of the integer is 9. So what is that equation? Tell me. 9 plus x. 9 plus x is equal to minus 15. This is first integer, this is second integer. Second integer is not given, that we consider x. So sum means addition. So 9 plus x is equal to minus 15. Wait, no, my dear. No. 6 will not be the answer. Don't do magic. 9 plus x is equal to minus 15. Now let me explain this. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. Before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. So there are two sides of the equation. One is left side, other is right side. Before equal to left side, after equal to right side. So there are two sides of the equation. And whenever we change the number, whenever we change the side of the number, from left, when we move to right side, the sign changes. From left, when we move to right, or from right, when we move to left, the sign changes. Plus becomes, this you have to remember, plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes addition, addition becomes multiplication. Whenever sides are changed. Is it clear? So this you have to write. This you have to write. Let me solve this. Then let me explain this part. So now we have left hand side and right hand side. So now this is plus 9. Plus 9 on left side. Plus 9 of left side, I will take it on the right side. So that will be x is equal to, yes, x is equal to minus 15. Minus 15 I am not changing the side. Minus 15 I am keeping there only. So sign will not change. But this plus 9 of left I am taking it to the right. So plus 9 will become minus 9. Are you getting? This plus 9 becomes minus 9, and 15 minus 15 remain minus 15, because minus 15 side I am not changing. Now let us see. So x is equal to, what is sine of 15? Minus. Sine of 9 minus. Wait, no, not plus. Not plus. Whenever they have same sign, minus minus, we say we have to add the number. Add the number, don't say plus. Add the number, take the common sign. Minus minus, same sign, add the number. 15 plus 9 is 24, and common sign minus minus is minus. So x is equal to minus 24. So we write other integer is minus 24. Other integer is minus 24. This is our answer. So to any equation, there are two sides, left side and right side. And whenever we change the side of any number, the sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes addition, addition becomes multiplication. Whenever you change the side to any equation, whenever you see left equal, no, it is clear, my dear. It is very much clear. Whenever you see equal to sign, means before equal to it is my left side, after equal to it is my right side, and whenever you change the side of any number, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. That's all. So the answer is, second integer is minus 24. Second integer is minus 24. Second integer is minus 24. Let us solve the second one. Let us solve the second one. The difference between integer x and minus 6. The difference between integer, the difference, what do you mean by difference? Minus, yes, write down. The difference between, recording is going on. The difference between integers, the difference between integers, the difference between two integers, x and minus 6. X is one integer and minus 6 is other integer. Is minus 5. Their difference is means equal to. You always remember, is means equal to. Is means equal to. In mathematics, is means equal to. Is means equal to. So the difference of between two integer x and minus 6 is minus 5. Find the values of x. 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 So this you remember. This you remember, and this you pay attention. See, whenever it is sum, whenever there are two integers a and b, there are two integers a and b, their sum will be a plus b or b plus a. A plus b or b plus a. A plus b and b plus a, they are equal, because 1 plus, so b plus a or a plus b. So whenever it is sum, either we find a plus b or b plus a. Any one we find. Whether you find a plus b or b plus a, they are same. But whenever it is difference, remember, sum means plus, difference means minus. That in that case, in case of difference, you have to find both. You have to find both. You have to find a minus b and write down a minus b and b minus a, both we have to find. We have to find both a minus b and b minus a. Because write down this, because we don't know which number is bigger. Whenever it is difference, you have to find a minus b and b minus a both. But whenever it is sum, only we find a plus b, any one. Whenever it is sum, we find a plus b. But whenever it is difference, we find a minus b and b minus a both. Whenever it is difference, we find a minus b and b minus a both. So now let us solve this. So this you remember, because 1 plus 2, now why I am telling you this result, because see this. Let us take one example. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3, no? Now 1 minus 2, what is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. They are not equal, my dear. So addition is commutative, means in sum you can find a plus b or b plus a, any one. But whenever it is difference, you have to find a minus b and b minus a both. Both you have to find. So here it is yes. So now let us solve this. Let us write the solution of this. So solution, we write solution. We write the solution. You are given two integer x and minus 6. X and minus 6. So what will be first? The difference. Difference means minus. So you will get x. Yes, what you will get? X minus x minus minus 6. So you will get x minus minus 6 is equal to, their difference is, the difference of x and minus 6 is minus 5, equal to minus 5. And second it will be, what will be second part? We have written a minus b. Now I will write b minus a. What is that? Minus 6. Minus 6 minus x is equal to minus 5. Both you have to write a minus b and b minus a. Now you have to solve. Now this part I have explained. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. So what is that? Minus into minus. Whenever two signs are together, you have to multiply. So that will be x minus into minus plus 6 is equal to minus 5. Let me solve this first. Now this is my left hand side. Before equal to it is left side, and after equal to it is right side. On left side 6 is there with plus sign. So this 6 I will take it on the right side, it will be minus 6. So you will get x is equal to minus 5 minus 6 plus 6 of left side. When we take it on the right side, it become minus 6. Now again two number, they have same sign, so we have to add and take the common sign. So 6 plus 5 will be 11, common sign is minus, so answer is minus 11. Now let me solve this. Let me solve this part. Now this side, it is minus 6. So, yes. Yes, speak now, my dear. No. See, minus 5, I am not changing the side. Minus 5 is after equal to. Everywhere minus 5 side I am not changing. Only I am changing the side of 6. Minus 5 side I am not changing. Are you getting? Now in this, earlier it was plus x. Now it is minus x. So I will change both the sides. Minus 6, I will take it on right side. This is my left side and this is my right side. This is left side and this is right side. Now it is minus x. So minus x I will take it on right side and minus 5 I will take it on left side. So now you do it. Minus 5 I will take it on the right, on the left. So this becomes minus 6, yes. Now take it on the left. Minus 5 will become plus 5, plus 5. Then this is minus x. I am taking minus x on the right side. It will become plus x. So I am changing two sides. Minus x I am taking on the right, it becomes plus x. Minus 5 I am taking it on the left, it becomes minus 5. Minus 6 side I am not changing. Now what is sign of 6? Minus. What is sign of 5? Positive. So minus and plus opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Which number is bigger? 6. What is sign of that? Minus. So minus 1 is equal to x. So we write x is equal to minus 1. So the answer is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 11. So there are two answers for this. So have you seen, whenever it is sum there is one answer, but whenever it is difference there are two answers. Because in sum we write only a plus b, but in difference we write a minus b. In difference we write a minus b and b minus a both. So this is a minus b and this is b minus a. Now let us do the third part. Yes. Sum there will be one answer, but whenever it is difference means we find a minus b and b minus a both. Whereas in sum we only find a plus b. Because sum a plus b and b plus a they are same. But in difference a minus b and b minus a they are not same. So that is why we find both the part in case of subtraction or in case of difference. In case of difference we find a minus b and b minus a both. Now third question. The sum of two integers is 28. The sum of two integers is 28 if one of the integer is minus 45. If one of the integer is minus 45, find the other. Now again it is sum, so there will be only one case, a plus b. So this is my first integer, and this is my second integer. So first integer plus second integer is means, what do you mean by is in mathematics? Is means equal to. So is 28 means equal to 28. So their sum is given 28. Then we are given first integer is minus 45. This is minus 45. Then it is asked find second integer. This we write question mark. And this we consider x. So we write let other integer be x. Let other integer be x. Now you form the equation. Yes, you form the equation. Whenever it is sum, we write a plus b. X. Very good, very good. We have to form the equation. So first integer is minus 45. Second integer is x. Between them plus sign. Why we write plus sign? Because it is sum. So that we write minus 45 plus x is equal to 28. Again, whenever you see equal to sign, means before equal to it is my left side, after equal to it is my right side. So whenever there are two sides, and if you are changing the number, side of the number, then sign changes. So this is minus 45. So this minus 45 of left side, I will take it on the right side. X side I will not change. X side I will not change because it is plus x. Whenever it is minus x, then we change the side of x also. Previous question. But it is plus x, so this side I will not change. I will take minus 45 on the right side. So you will get x is equal to 28 plus 45. Now both have same sign, plus sign, plus sign. So you add the number and take the common sign plus. 73. Yes. So other integer is plus 73 or 73. Other integer is plus 73 or 73. One and the same. Then fourth question. The sum of two integer is, fourth question. The sum of two integer is, the sum of two integers, the sum of two, again it is sum, the sum of two integers is minus 56, is minus 56. If one of the integer is minus 42, if one of the integer is minus 42, if one of the integer is minus 42, find the other. Find the other. So this I am giving homework, fourth one, because this is same as earlier one. Fourth will be homework. Now fifth question. Sum means plus sign, and whenever it is sum of integer, you will write a plus b. And whenever it is difference of integer, you will write both a minus b and b minus a both. So whenever it is difference, we consider both the case. Now fifth one, the difference between integer, the difference between integers, x and minus 9, x and minus 9 is 6. What do you mean by is in mathematics? Is equal to, yes. So now it is difference. It is difference. So you will find a minus b and b minus a both. X minus minus 9 and minus 9 minus x. Both the case you will find. Find all the possible values of x. Find all possible values of x. So there will be two possible values. Find all possible values of x. Find all possible values of x. So this will also be homework. Yes. Because this is difference. So you have to find both a minus b and b minus a. It is difference. So this I am giving homework, and now we stop here because it is 9:41. So those name whoever's name I have called, please talk to your parent and by evening you send me the reply. 42. So now we stop here. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye.